Have a pleasant and blessed day, everyone. Upon choosing patterns in nature and man-made, I was convinced and attracted to this glamorous art that I kept for a long time. I choose this art as I am proud to author to everyone that I was able to win a competition or a modular art competition during my high school days. Upon making this art, I choose colors that are pretty much attractive and at the same time, it has a unique outcome. In this masterpiece, the bees and chains creates the art more eye-catching to the audience. Mathematics was really presented in this art as it shows patterns. The pattern is called reflection symmetry. This pattern was being made by the skills and ability of mine. If we try to fold this art, we will be able to see mirror effect, or when this is reflected or flipped across the plane, it creates image itself. Reflection can be found anywhere. It can be man-made, same as what I have shown, and it could be in nature we are surrounded with. Now, let's proceed to the second pattern that we choose.
Upon choosing the unique and beautiful patterns of nature, we also chose the fractals. Fern, or also known as vascular plant with a scientific name of Tracheophyta, is one of the basic examples of fractals. Fractals are infinitely complex patterns that are self-similar across different scales and are created by repeating a simple process over and over in a loop. Why fern is fractal? The fractal description of a mature fern-leafed form is achieved by running a simple chaos algorithm many times, and the accumulated resulted random points from each run finally form the shape of a typical fern leaf. In fact, the entire fern is mostly built up from different basic shape repeated over and over again at ever smaller scales. Most astonishing of all, fractal mathematics reveals that this humble fern leaf is neither a one nor an two-dimensional shape but hovers somewhere in between.